Top one is coffees. So we've got Altera House Light, Morning Roast Light, Donut Shop Blend Medium, and looks like French Roast Dark. On the bottom we also have some teas. We've got Chai Spice flavored and also an Earl Grey. Just a regular tea. So once you pick one of those, let's say I'm gonna make some coffee. Nope, that's hot chocolate. Here we go, this is Morning Roast Light. Come over here to the coffee machine, hit coffee, hit large. There's some coffee mugs right next to it for ease of use. You set it down in the spot, put the coffee packet in, and then you shut it. Now I'm not going to do it because I don't want coffee right now, but that's as easy as you need to do it. So once again, if you guys have any questions, let us know, but this is how you make coffee with our new coffee maker.